Unit 5, Chapter 5 Me, Myself, and I. Listen, sing, and act. Me, myself, and I. We went to the kitchen and ate a pie. Then my mother, she came in and chased us out with a rolling pin. Look and say. Myself. Kitchen. Ate. Pie. Chased. Rolling pin. About myself. My name is Raj. I am studying in first standard. I am 6 years old. I live in Mumbai. My friend's name is Anil. My hobby is cycling. My favorite color is blue. Tell about yourself and write it in a few lines.
My name is Sneha. I am 6 years old. I live in Mumbai. I study in St. John's High School. My favorite color is pink.
Copy the words in your Word file on the computer. Throw the ball. Everybody stand in a circle. Now, take the ball and say your name. My name is Ria. What is your name? Now, throw the ball to your friend and ask what is her name. My name is Rashi.